What are the marketing assets of origin-linked products? Origin-linked product is the truth about the origin of the products. The consumers are nowadays interested in real products and real information on the product. It is also a brand recognition on the product. And the origin-linked product will convey information about the origin-bound characteristic of the product and also its quality. Origin-linked products are based on a philosophy of collective approach. So we will use collective signs. What are they used for? First of all, these collective signs will identify the company or the products for the consumers. For the owner of this collective right, it will be a way to conquer or gain consumer trust. It will be also a way to value the existence of the company or of the product and avoid confusion with competitors. And also it will be a tool to communicate about the product assets, so it will be a marketing tool. Speaking about collective signs means that we will use distinctive signs, so intellectual property tools. Inside the intellectual property tools category, we have two categories that can be used in order to protect origin-linked products. We have the trademarks and we have the geographical indication and or the appellation of origin. Each tool will have different involvements in terms of quality management. Potential obstacles to protect an origin-linked product. We have different hypotheses that prevent origin-linked product to be protected. First of all is the conflict with the prior trademark. A GI or a collective trademark may be refused protection if the authority considers that the GI term is identical or similar to a trademark previously applied for, registered or acquired through use in good faith, and that use of the GI term will result in a likelihood of confusion with the trademark. First case. Second case is also the generic character. An origin-linked product may be refused protection as a geographical indication if the competent authority considers that the signs constitute the common name for a kind of product or service to which it applies. Let's see now the case of homonymy or homonymous geographical indications. Homonymous geographical indications are those that are spelled or pronounced alike, but which identify products originating in different places, usually in different countries. In principle, this indication should coexist, but such coexistence may be subject to certain conditions. And a GI may be refused protection if, due to the existence of another homonymous indication, its use will be considered potentially misleading the consumer with regard to the product true origin. Name of plant variety or animal breed. In certain countries, protection may be refused to a GI if it conflicts with the name of a plant variety or an animal breed, and may, as a result, mislead the consumer as to the true origin of the product. Let's see now some Jamaican collective trademarks examples. In these slides, you can see different use of trademarks in order to promote the origin product from Jamaica. In the first example, Jamaica's Finest Certified, we have a certified trademark promoting the quality of the Jamaican coffee. In the second example, Jamaican Blue Mountain Coffee, we have a specific quality product coming from a restricted area that will promote the origin-bound product. In the last example, Jamaica Made, we will have a nation branding for authentic Jamaican product, which is a certification trademark delivered by the Bureau of Standards in Jamaica. The second example is the example of Marseille soap. This is a collective trademark that has been applied by the last producers of real and traditional Marseille soap. Marseille soap is produced in the region of Marseille, and a specific know-how has been maintained over time by the people. At the very beginning, there were some raw material from the area that were used in order to produce the soap. Nowadays, they can be outsourced. However, in order to underline this specific way of processing the Marseille soap, it has been important for the producer to register this collective trademark, which is based on specification and external controls. In this slide, we have some examples of geographical indications for the products. So we will have the coffee, Coffee Colombia or Coffee Gallo in Indonesia. We will have also the tequila for spirit drinks in Mexico, the Comté cheese in France, the Argagnol in Morocco, and also a geographical indication for the duck liver in France, in southwest of France.